Power cuts can strike anytime, but what if your lights, fridge, and devices stayed on without a hitch? In today's video, we reveal the top 5 solar generators with UPS function that act in just milliseconds. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab yours now. Number 5 product on our list is Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 solar generator. What if your fridge, router, and lights never blinked off during a blackout? That's the silent promise of the Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 solar generator, one of the smartest picks in our top 5 solar generators with UPS function list. With 2,200 watt power and a 2,042 week capacity, it blends raw energy with practical safety. Whether you're running RV gear or home essentials, its 20 ms auto sweat keeps power flowing without disruption. Add to that ultra-fast 66-minute AC charging and a durable 10-year Leaf PO4 battery, and you've got a powerhouse that's as light as it is reliable. Its whisper-quiet operation and compact design make it a no-brainer for those tired of noisy, bulky backups. It's not just tested for reliability, it's designed for peace of mind. Ideal for smart users who want fast, safe, long-lasting power they can trust. Number 4 is Jackery Explorer 3000 Pro Solar Generator. Can a solar generator really run 99% of your home and RV essentials without a hitch? The Jackery Explorer 3000 Pro proves it can, and earns its place in our top 5 solar generator, with UPS function list for a reason. With an enormous 3,024 watt capacity and 3,000 watt output, it powers everything from AC units to microwaves with confidence. But what sets it apart is not just raw power, it's the peace of mind. Its smart UPS kicks in seamlessly during outages, while the 2.4-hour fast charging means you're never left waiting. The silent operations, sleek mobility features, and 10-year durability make this a smart, long-term investment. Ideal for serious travelers, off-grid families, or anyone who values clean, consistent power when it matters most. This one's not just powerful, it's dependable, efficient, and truly worth it. The third one on our list is Anker SOLIX F2000 solar generator. What if your next road trip never had to pause for power? The Anker SOLIX F2000 solar generator from our top 5 solar generator with UPS function lineup is built to keep you moving stress-free. With a robust 2,400 watt output and unique RV port, it powers up to 12 devices. Yes, even high wattage ones like microwaves or ACs, without skipping a beat. Thanks to Hyperflash, it charges from 0 to 80% in just 1.4 hours, which is a game changer when time is tight. It's engineered for longevity, boasting a 10-year battery life and a full 5-year warranty. Whether you're off-grid or need a UPS backup at home, this unit delivers peace of mind. Compact, quiet, and powerful, it's ideal for RVers, families, and smart shoppers who refuse to compromise. Number 2 is EF ECOFLOW RIVER 2 Pro Solar Generator. What if your entire camping setup or home office could stay powered with something that fits in your car trunk? The EF ECOFLOW RIVER 2 Pro from our top 5 solar generator with UPS function list delivers a powerful 1,600 watt output, handling 80% of your essential appliances, whether it's your fridge during an outage or your coffee maker in the wild. What truly stands out is its jaw-dropping 70-minute full AC recharge, the fastest in the industry. And with 11 versatile ports, it replaces chaos with convenience. Lightweight at just 17.2 pounds and built with a Leaf PO4 battery that lasts nearly a decade, this unit isn't just smart. It's peace of mind in a box. Add solar recharging in under 4 hours and a UPS function that keeps you covered in blackouts, and you've got a no-brainer investment. Now, moving to the last one is Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 solar generator. What if your backup power could fit in one hand and still run your essentials for days? That's exactly why the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 solar generator earns its spot in our top 5 solar generator with UPS function list. With a solid 1,500 watt output and 3,000 watt surge peak, it handles appliances like fridges and AC units with ease, yet weighs under 24 pounds for grab-and-go freedom. Whether you're camping off-grid or surviving a power outage, its 1-hour fast charge via app-controlled emergency mode gives you peace of mind instantly. Compared to bulkier rivals, its compact frame, 10-year Leaf PO4 battery, and whisper-quiet 30 dV charging mode feel like thoughtful luck. Downsides? It's only compatible with Jackery panels, but if you're seeking reliability, portability, and UPS protection in one sleek box, this one's a smart, lasting investment. For unmatched speed, smart control, and compact power, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 wins our list. a true UPS-ready champion. So, guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar generator with UPS function. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.